Heck of a town, right? The red-hot Mets, 6 in a row, still lurking before the deadline with, of course, this guy still out there, Juan Soto. Jeff Passan saying the Cards, Padres, and Dodgers are the favorites at this point if he is going to be dealt. And if he is going to be dealt, given what he did tonight, boy, they really better get a haul back, right? He worked that walk-off Max Scherzer, and then the next batter is Josh Bell, who is almost certainly going to be dealt, and he's almost certainly going to help a team. Here's Soto showing off one of his many tools, the speed and the awareness. He comes around to score after the throwing error by Starling Marte. So check off one of those boxes there. Soto, we know, has the wheels. And he gives the Nationals a 1-0 lead. This time, Soto showing off a different tool, his fielding. Top two, Marte to right. Now, run is going to score, but look at the right fielder come up throwing, and that sucker is on the money right there in time. So he's got the wheels, and he's got that cannon out there in right field, checking off another box and keeping the Nationals in the game. The Mets would look to put some distance between themselves and Washington. Patrick Corbin, his brutal season continues. Pete Alonso, his MVP caliber season continues. Kind of a one-iron out of there. His 27th jack of the year. The Mets in front 4-1. Back to Soto now, who again, presumably Washington taking calls about this guy during the game when he's doing this. 21st home run of the year. He can hit for average, and you're darn right he can hit for power. He checks off all 5 tools. We've said it before. Juan Soto, more tools than a boy band. 6th inning, 4-3 game. Francisco Lindor. Kind of a measly $300 million guy at this point, right? But he's putting together a really nice year. His 18th home run. The Mets pick up their 65th win, 7-3.